first snowstorm of 2015. So we got a little bit of snow. So take a little adventure. Because we're Canadian and we kick ass. Coming up to the road, but I think I'll use the road sidewalk. This is a sidewalk. I think it's a little bit plugged up. That's what the road looks like. Look at the houses, man. I don't think anybody's getting out the front door for a while. Wow, these guys are snowed right in. Crazy. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. But damn, I want springtime to come. I got a bike I gotta get on the road. Well, it's not too bad actually, man. Sidewalks haven't really been done, but main roads are pretty well snow-packed. A lot of drifts. So I advise everybody just stay inside today, man, if you don't have to go out. Relax, watch some TV. I don't know. Just chill out, man. Enjoy it from your window. The snowbanks are pretty high, and we had nothing yesterday. A lot of drifting. Where's the boss? Well, we know HSR is running. I don't think that guy's going anywhere anytime soon. What do you think? I think he's snowed in. Check that out. That's what you get for poking on the road, pineapple. Good luck getting that out. Like I said, good luck to my neighbors getting out today, man. This is a long part of our complex. You can see the snow's halfway up to the doors. There's a city boy. Get those plows plowing. And you can see they come down Princeton Avenue now. Hasn't been plowed at all. So you got one pineapple backing up on the road because he couldn't make it down. Don't know what he's doing. Take you in. This is along my way, along Princeton. It's not too bad at the front here. At least I can make it in my front door. We'll check out what the back looks like. Driveway. You can tell it's mostly just drifted. Pretty well snowed in. At least they don't have to go anywhere today. I don't think those two are going anywhere anytime soon either. Well, that concludes my video of the snow blizzard 2015. Great day.